everybody, I'm excited to share with you one of our favorite books and music CDs. This book is called Rhythm and Tones, and I highly recommend it for beginners of Chinese, whether you're an adult or child learning Chinese. This book has simplified Chinese, pinging, and then they have the English translation on a separate page so that you're learning how to read the Chinese characters and not distracted by the English. I love this book because it covers so many different topics. The beginning covers greetings, it talks about the 4 tones, and then also talks about different movements, different daily activities, books, eraser, crayons, and then musical instruments. I just want to show you some other things that they cover, like food, animals again, and then playground. And I love this page here because it talks about using manners, different ways you can see manners. You can apologize if you've accidentally bumped into someone. This is the these are other examples here. And then just so much packed in this one book. Just how you talk about different foods and snack time. And I like how they've also mixed in some cultural things, the significance of noodles and how it represents long life in Chinese culture. Here's a section about weather. And then days of the week, the seasons, and then here's some more cultural things. They cover the new year, exchanging the red envelope, banners, lantern festival, and then moon cakes, and mid-autumn festival, and that concludes with a thank you song. So manners again, which are great to teach to young children, and that ends with a goodbye song. You can see the table of, you can see this index of words that are taught in this song here. And then finally, you can also try to play this on a piano or other instrument if you have one at home. The CD actually has lots and lots of music and chants of the vast majority of the text in this book. And if you'd like to hear some samples of it, take a look at my review on my website. Thank you so much.